you. Let's see it together. Yay!
I'm James. I'm 17, and I'm pretty sure I'm a psychopath. When I was 9, I put my hand in a deep fat fryer. I wanted to make myself feel something. School was beneath me, but it was a good place for observation and selection. I had a plan. I was going to kill someone. Hey?
From the video, did you notice that a real native English speaker doesn't pronounce every word clearly in a real life? That's what a schwa is. Schwa is a quick, relaxed, and neutral vowel pronunciation. The purpose of schwa is to allow unstressed syllable to be said more quickly, so the main beats of the spoken words are easier to place on the stressed syllable. Now, let's see the example once again together.
I wanted to make myself feel something.
The last sound of the word wanted is unstressed, so we can hear the schwa sound.
Today, we are going to be looking at the schwa sounds at the ends of words. Better, center, color, leisure. You might be thinking, how do I know which ending each one has? Actually, there are no 6 sets of rules, but we have a few tips that might be help you. Let's see together. The one complete adjectives end in er.
Lighter,
smarter,
softer, shorter.
Tip number 2. The OR ending often follows CT,
Actor, actor.
AT,
Dictator, dictator.
IT,
Visitor, visitor.
RR,
Horror, horror.
and SS.
Successor, successor.
The last tip, AR, often follows L.
Dollar, collar.
similar, regular.
That's all about the schwa sound at the end of the words.
Do you enjoy our clip? I hope this video will be useful for you. See you next